name's Pete Noir. I retired at 47, and now I wander the planet looking for new adventures and some good coffee. Please subscribe and hit that like button to see new adventures. Going east now. That was the western part of our trip. And we're gonna go south. It's always my favorite. South. Yeah. Nice couple of days. Relaxing, but we're starting to get comfortable. So back in the saddle. Get at it. It's gonna be a beautiful day, so stick around. All right, adios. First things first, gotta get gas at the QT. Oh, look at this. Sexy. Love me a quick trip. I'm in Nashville, Illinois. Epic morning. 100-something miles under my belt already. Battled my way out of St. Louis. Beautiful blue skies. Highway for a bunch, and then just found the most awesome rows and rows of corn, straight road through the country. 177 Illinois, turned on to 127. Big truck going by. And we're just gonna cut our way through the state, head towards Kentucky. It's a beautiful morning. Where are we again? Marion, Illinois. Sun shining, coming from the east. We're gonna go to the east. Route 13. Unlucky for some, not for us. Let's get on it. Be rude not to go to Smoking Joe's. Oh boy. Hangover food. I don't know when I'm going to learn that hangovers and motorcycling doesn't work. Doesn't mix. Probably never. I'm in Sturgis, Kentucky. Okay. Day 3 coming out of St. Louis. We are in Morgantown, Kentucky. And this morning we're going to head to Mammoth Caves State Park. this morning. Finally drinking coffee on video. We're at Mammoth Cave. It's not a state park, National Park Service. We got a ticket. We got a cup of coffee. And we are going to go do the Domes and Dripstones tour. Apparently not a big walk, half a mile or so, 500 steps. See how that goes. But you guys are coming too. Take it with me. We'll go down together.
So, as owners of our 26th National Park, which became one on July 1st, 1941, we have to be good stewards.
Wait, don't. I'm gonna try to stay in the middle. I know. I feel all over the Oh, look at this one. Oh, stop it.
Looks like you're going to the basement.
Oh my god, what is this? It's like cockroaches. They're gonna be on.
How about those caves? Pretty awesome, huh? All right, we're wrapping it up for the day, shutting it down. Get myself a nice little roadside, my favorite. I'm in Bardstown, Kentucky, which also happens to be the bourbon capital of the world. So tomorrow, we're gonna go figure out how they make it. See you then. All right, it's a little loud. There's a lot going on here. We are at the Barton 1792 Distillery. We're gonna do a tour, see how they make their bourbon. And then I'll probably skip the tasting because, again, tasting, bourbon, motorcycles, probably doesn't go together.
We'll do the history here. We'll do a full tour of the entire distillery and the rick house.
Okay, last night we spent the night in Corbin, Kentucky, home of the first ever KFC, and I assume Colonel Sanders, who didn't start the business apparently until he was 62 years old. So, pretty impressive, Colonel. We are now gonna load up and we're gonna go to the Cumberland Gap. How awesome was that? So now we're in Cumberland Gap, Tennessee. We're at Gap Creek Coffee House. Got myself a coffee. I'm gonna head down and visit a buddy of mine, and we'll show you that in the next video. Hope you enjoyed the ride to Tennessee and the Cumberland Gap. Take care.